Good morning.
Happy Saturday.
Happy Saturday.
Welcome to our vlog number 5.
Yay.
I think our plan was to do this once a week, but I'm kind of feeling on a roll right now, so we're going to take you guys with us today.
And tomorrow.
It's
Get a big
Pride.
Yeah.
So happy Pride weekend, everybody.
Yay.
But first, we're going to make iced tea.
Yeah.
We're going to make some eggs, and I'm going to make some iced coffee.
Yeah.
Did you figure it out?
Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty sure it's this one.
Oh, baby, we need bulbs for my car.
Oh, and my car.
Shit.
Alright, let's ask again.
We got brakes, rotors,
Some oil change stuff.
cleaners,
Washer fluid, because Adele goes through it like you wouldn't
insanity.
believe. Let me think of one of these next. Ooh. We can trade in my bike, sell my bike for what I asked for now. Okay, this off.
Just pretty. How's it feel?
Feels good. Feels big. And tiny?
You don't actually.
No?
No. I feel like you don't. You don't look any tinier than any other person on a bike like that. We got our cars lined up. Cheyenne's car, Cheyenne's bike, my car. We are waiting for Shaw.
Filling some washer fluid, because we know how to do that without my brother being here.
Ooh, I spilled only one drop. It's so thirsty.
That's an understatement. It is so hard not to sing along to Usher, but I know I'm being recorded. It's like personal torture. Like, here, put some Usher on, but don't sing, because you'll sound like an idiot on camera.
I still don't even see the top of it.
Nope. Well, there it goes.
Nope.
No?
Oh, yeah. Okay. All the way.
Yeah, fill it all the way. That's good. It's got a little thing it hooks into you. And let it
Slam
drop hard, yeah.
Ah! That's heavy! Hi, pretty! Hi! Hi! Hi, Blue. Hi, hi. No biting. No biting. You're such a sweet pup. Hi. Good girl. You're so beautiful. Such a good puppy. Hi.
Oh, maybe they're not fake.
We did not anticipate this distraction, but oh my god, is she adorable or what?
Yeah.
Look at her. Thank you, Shaw.
You're welcome. Now do the fun work.
Shaw did the lights, and now Cheyenne's jacking up the car so we can do the brakes.
So, when you go brakes, you have to take the caliper off first. This is the caliper. It's what pushes the brake pads together. To take them off, you got to take off this one up here, and there's one down here.
Does it matter if I do the top or bottom first?
No.
I got this.
No, I'm saying when it cracks loose,
There you go.
and you smack your knuckle
Oh.
on the thing. Alright, now that that's loose, do the bottom one. Now,
Back to the
you
top.
can take these off. Oh, you can just do it by hand.
Oh.
Lucky
Should I
you.
hold this?
No.
Hold something?
No. It'll stay there.
Okay.
You're gonna have to like force it off.
Okay.
Now force it off.
All right. loosened it for you.
Now these are your brake pads.
You think that's like falling apart in there?
They were not metal.
They're not even that bad.
They sounded awful.
But you, oh shit, you got rotors too.
Yeah.
Alright, so we gotta take off the bracket as well. Use your body strength. I'll let you do the top one.
You got this.
Yank on it. Throw your body back.
The further out on the handle you hold, the more leverage you get too.
Throw your body back. Stop trying to use just your muscles like that.
I'm trying to throw my body.
Like it. Grab it with your left hand. Let your arms stay fully extended. And now just yank back.
Yeah. Dude's telling me to just throw your body back. There you go.
All the way?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now pull the rotor off.
This whole thing?
Yep. Now grab the new rotor.
Baby, are you still filming?
Yes. I'm just feeling you playing with the dog.
You doing the same thing that you just yelled at her for doing?
Uh-huh. At least I'm here.
Oh, now we gotta put the bracket back on.
This thing?
Yep. We go over like this, and then these go through here. Let's go into this. Just gotta line it up into the right spot.
I can't see that spot. I need to like this way.
Yeah.
Your hair looks really nice.
So, alright, in order to compress this back, you put an old or new brake pad on here, it doesn't matter. Just crank
Back
this
in.
down.
Sleek.
And now, we're good. Yeah, you're gonna need new calipers. Now, you need your brake pads. Now see these? This right here? This thing? That's what's supposed to let you know when you need new brake pads. When it starts getting so low that this little piece starts scraping this, that's when it starts squeaking like that. Is when this starts scraping it. That's supposed to let you know that it's time for new brake pads.
So it started that thick, those other ones.
Yeah.
They're like down to scraps now.
Yeah.
Crazy.
And then you're good. Just screw those back on.
I see.
I am.
Just like that. Yeah,
She's
good
so
girl.
sweet.
No licking. Alright.
Oh, but we need to go get the thingy, no?
Huh? Do what thing? Put the wheel back on. Then
Yeah.
it's all done.
Cool. They're vicious.
Are you good?
Small tiny.
I thought you got it.
So what happened happens if you do it too fast and it just slams down? What does it damage in the car?
Well, it doesn't damage the car, it'll damage my jack or your legs.
So Adele just told me that she's finished up with the car, she was cleaning, she's all done, and I warned her before she came in that I think George is in my car. And he was sitting in the back window. She came in, I said, well, is George out of my car? And she said, I didn't see him, but here he is, freaking out a little. And I don't have the keys with me. I'm sorry, George. So we'll have to come back for him. So Adele to the rescue after locking George in the car. I warned her and said he's in there. And she's like, well, I didn't see him when he came out. But, Georgie. Sorry, George. Can you unlock the door? Yeah. Sorry, buddy.
You had it coming, George.
You hear that? Come on in, George.
We are in Cheyenne's car after doing all this work. I'm sorry we didn't get a before audio for you guys, but we're about to see what the brakes sound like, or hopefully don't sound like. That's insane. I'm still like holding my breath waiting for it to happen. Whoa. We did good, baby.
Yeah, well, shot did good.
Shot did good, but we did good too. Feeling a little bit defeated. We came to Target because they have all of these great Pride ads and they're supposed to have Pride stuff. We can't find anything.
Nothing.
And I mean, we're pretty last minute. New York City Pride is tomorrow. Asbury Park Pride was 3 weeks ago.
Yeah.
But still, they should have something.
There's rainbow lava lamps.
Yeah, we can't really bring that to the city.
We'll
keep-
get there.
I know, we'll keep looking. So they told us they don't have anything specifically for a Pride. But we could look in the printed tee section, so that's what we're doing. Oh, I see rainbows. It's got rainbows on it. All you need is love and tacos. Well, that was kind of a bust.
Yeah. We got one shirt.
We're going to the car now to drop off our stuff. And then we are going to the movies.
Can't see behind us.
Yeah.
It's movie time. Whoop, whoop.
Everyone!
Just leaving the movie now.
Yes.
Superfly.
It was really good.
Yeah, it was.
A bit crazy.
A bit. But really good. Tomorrow's Pride. We're gonna drive home, do some Pokemon Go on the way. I'm gonna start editing the vlog for today. And we will see you guys tomorrow.
Yes.
At Pride.
See you tomorrow.
Bye, guys.